Hey, friends and family, this is Mr. Downs. It's almost holiday break, but remember, even though you're getting a break, I still want you to stay active. Stay having fun, stay healthy, stay safe, and once in a while, keep smiling. So what I do, I have a challenge for you. All right. It's called Around the World Holiday Warm-Up. Now, I'm just going to give you the link and a little bit of instruction. Then I'm going to send you to the link so that you can play it with your friends or family or whoever you have over because it is fun. Or you can do it simply by yourself and see how well you do. I did this with the EFL as a competition. We had over 100 kids in my WebEx room and trying to guess to see what is the right answers. And then we just saw bodies moving. So not only brain power, body power, all comes together in this one. So I'm just going to give you a brief explanation on how to do it, and then I'm going to send you to, and then you go on to Schoology, send the link, and boom, let's go play the game with somebody over the holiday. And you know what? Send me a video, send me something to show me some pictures of you having fun playing this game, because I know the EFL had a fun time playing it today. Okay, so basically here's what you do. All right, what you're going to do on each of the slides you're going to see coming up here. All right, you're going to try to choose between one or the other. Then you have to do that exercise. Whatever answer you choose, you got to do that exercise for 30 seconds, as hard as you can go. And then you're going to get to see if you're correct. Okay, so let me just show you what it looks like. Okay, so here's the first question. You have 12 seconds to figure out, is Kwanzaa is a harvest celebration. That means, all right, so you can move to one side of the room, or you could just say, I think it's going to be first fruits. Or maybe some of your family says, I think it's a family celebration. You got a 50-50 shot, okay? But before you get to that, here's what you're going to have to do, all right? I'm going to turn it on. All right. If you think it's first fruit, you're going to be doing jumping jacks. If you think it's a family celebration, you're going to get those high knees up there. And you got to do that for 30 seconds as hard as you can go. All right? Now, I'm going to just leave it right there. A little plot twist. I'm not going to show you the answer because in 15 seconds, it will pop up the answer. And if you're doing jumping jacks hard, and if you thought it was first fruits, maybe it's that. If you thought it was a family celebration, maybe it's that. You're going to have to go to the link and answer the 7 questions, do the 7 exercises. Send me back something so that I can see how you did, if you had some fun with it. All right? So, again, the beautiful thing, we celebrate different ways with different people, different cultures, different religions. But you know what? We're all SLP Panther proud. So have fun with this. Have a good, safe break. And Merry Christmas.